my visa like 3 years, so I'm working on it.
How you doing tonight?
Doing wonderful, man.
Can I ask you a question?
Okay, hold on.
The Oscars are coming, so what's your favorite actor for the Oscars 2016?
I'm not sure, man. I'm just focused on Blue Mountain State. Ask me about Blue Mountain State right now.
Favorite movie? I'm just kidding.
Blue Mountain State.
Okay, Blue Mountain State, that's awesome.
Yeah.
What is your role in this movie?
My role is Craig Shiloh. I'm one of the original running backs of the movie.
All right.
And the second and third season I had left, so it's going to be a big surprise to the fans when I come back. And it's
awesome.
going to be a great movie, man.
Sounds like a movie I gotta go see.
Yes, sir.
Awesome. Good talking to you.
All right.